Ooh, let go. Good girl. Little pop, and she looked at it like, whoa. Oh, big release there in that wrist. Good girl. Also, incorrectly called the knee. Good girl. Good girl. Because we don't have a shoulder, an elbow, and a knee. We have a shoulder, an elbow, and a wrist. And that's what this is. We call it a carpus. In veterinary terminology, it's called a carpus. Carpus means wrist in Latin. So this is actually a wrist, not a knee. There's no kneecap, so therefore it's not a knee at all. Good girl. The actual knee, the true knee of the horse, is the stifle, because it has a patella, which is the kneecap. That's a good girl.